Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to view your saved passwords on Windows 11 or 10 PC in Brave browser. For this, first open Brave browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one menu icon in the right corner. Then select settings in the drop down menu. In the left sidebar of settings window, select this one autofill and passwords option. On the right, you will see Password Manager. Click on this one option. Here, you will see the domains names for which you have saved passwords, or you can see login details. Click on the domain you want to view passwords. Windows may prompt for PIN or password. To authenticate it, just enter the details and then beside the this one password option, click on this one eye icon to view this one passwords. In case you want to copy it, you can use this one button, copy button. This will copy the passwords.